Hello everyone, welcome to my math learning channel. Today in this video I'm going to do some more examples for the fractions, rational numbers, as well as mixed numbers. As the first example, based on what we learned in the previous videos, we are going to do 1 over 3 plus 2 over 5. First, we need to find a common denominator, and as I said in the previous videos, the easiest way is to multiply these two denominators together. So, we have multiplied 3 by 5, we have to do the same for the denominator. This is the result, 11 over 15. Let's do another example. 3 over 10 plus 2 over 5. The easiest way is 10 multiplied by 5, 3 multiplied by 5 plus 2 multiplied by 10. 50. 15 plus 20. 35 over 50. But if you look at this result, you can see that we can simplify it further. In order to simplify it further, we can divide both numerator and denominator by 5. 35 divided by 5 is 7, and 50 divided by 5 is 10. So this is our result here. Let's do another example. 3 over 4 plus 1 over 8. I want to do this one a little different. So we have to find a common denominator. If the two, from the two denominators, one of them is a multiply of the other, you can choose the larger one as the common denominator. Here, 8 is the multiply of 4, and it's bigger than 4, so we choose 8 as the common denominator. This is another way of doing that. Or you can simply multiply this by this and do similar to what we did previously, but here I want to do it differently, so I choose 8 as the common denominator because 8 is a multiply of 4. So 4 has been multiplied by 2 to give 8. We do the same for 3, plus 8 is the same, so I use the same denominator here. It becomes 7 over 8. Okay, let's do one subtraction. 3 over 5 minus 3 over 10. Okay, what should we choose as a common denominator? As I said before, because 10 is a multiply of 5, I use 10 as the denominator, common denominator. 5 has been multiplied by 2 to give 10, so I do the same for denominator. 3 multiplied by 2 minus 3, right? 10, 6 minus 3. 3 over 10. Okay, let's do one multiplication now. As another example, we want to multiply two rational numbers. 5 over 8 multiply by 2 over 3. As I said in the previous lessons, this is easy. You just multiply nominators and denominators and see what you get. It will become 5, 10. 8 by 3 is 24. But you can simplify it further. You can divide both numerator and denominator by 2. So 5 over 12. So multiplication is really easy. Let's do one for the mixed numbers. Okay, let's solve this problem. 5 and 7 over 4 equals to 6 and what number over 4? We want to find this number here. Okay, so we start from this side. 5 and 7 over 4 equals 5 plus 7 over 4, right? This is the definition of the mixed numbers. So it will become 5 plus. We can write 7 over 4 as 4 over 4 plus 3 over 4, right? So basically, this one is 7 over 4, right? Then we have 5 plus 4 over 4 is 1 plus 3 over 4. So the result would be 6 plus 3 over 4, right? So if we want to write this as a mixed number, the result would be 6 and 3 over 4. So if we compare this one to this one here, you will see 6, 3 over 4, 6. So this number should be 3. Easy, right? Okay, let's do a mixed number addition. Five and 3 over 4 plus 2 and 1 over 3. So basically you have to expand these mixed number in the form of rational numbers, right? So 5 and 3 over 4 means 5 plus 3 over 4. 2 and 1 over 3 means, so there's a plus sign here, 2 plus 1 over 3, right? Now you can simply add this and this. Result becomes 7 plus 3 over 4 plus 1 over 3, right? Becomes 7 plus. In order to add these two numbers, we have to find the common denominator. The common denominator is 4 multiplied by 3. So 3 has been multiplied by 4 has been multiplied by 3. We do the same for the denominator. 3 multiplied by 3 plus 1 multiplied by 4. So the result is 7 plus 12. 3 by 3 is 9. 1 by 4 is 4. 9 plus 4 is 13. Over 12. So as you see here, this is a rational number in which numerator is greater than denominator, so we can write it as a mixed number, right? So we can write it as 7 plus 12 over 12 plus 1 over 12. So 13 over 12, we wrote it as 12 over 12 plus 1 over 12. This is the same as 13 over 12. So the result would be 7 plus 12 over 12 is 1 plus 1 over 12. So it would be 8 plus 1 over 12. So if we write it as a mixed number, it would be 8 and 1 over 12. So the result of this addition is this, 8 over 1 over 12. 8 and 1 over 12. Okay, let me see if I can find another example for us to do.